Here is how you place text behind you inside of Final Cut Pro. There we go. Here's how to do it. So I have my video file right here. Now you want to come over here to the text. I'll go ahead and just grab the basic title. You can type whatever you want. I'll just put Final Cut Pro test. I'm going to choose basic commercial font. Make the text big. And let's just go ahead and add everything. Outline to help make the text stand out. Bring up the width of it. Go ahead and do drop shadow. So now we have this text. Here is how you place text behind you inside of Final Cut Pro. I realize the text is in front of me, not behind me. Find where you're about to go in front of the text, or hold down Option and move the clip up so it copies and pastes it. I'm gonna hit Command B to cut right here and then hit delete. Go ahead and mute this audio. As I go underneath it, the text disappears. And this is where we want to add a mask of me over it. That's a really cool thing about Final Cut Pro 11's magnetic mask. So once you click on it, you just click on the person and then hit Analyze. And wow, with one click, it looks like it's having no problem. That's so cool. So literally just one click. Over here, I'm gonna click on this spot right here, which activates it. And now you're able to see that you're in front of it. And when you look closely, you don't really see any glitches in it. So it's pretty amazing. Something else you can do to help is add a feather. So you're able to see that with the feather up, it blends, it cuts off some of the text, and then with it below, it cuts into the person a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and just keep it at like 10, so it's just a little bit over. And now I'll play it back all the way through. Here is how you place text behind you inside of Final Cut Pro. There we go. Here's how to do it. And that's how you do it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was able to help. Please consider commenting, liking, and subscribing as it helps this channel to grow. And thank you so much for watching.